build. What you're going to see next took about 20 years to build. So now as we come out of the driveway, the fountain that's here on our right side is called the Horseshoe Fountain, and it was the last thing that Mr. Hastings built for Mr. DuPont. One of the unique things about it is that, well, there's two things. First, the urns on either side of the fountain came from the Habsburg Palace in Vienna, Austria. And second, the turtles that are at the bottom that are squirting all over the place, the sculptor who designed them is the same sculptor who made our Abraham Lincoln down in Washington, D.C. So. Now, if you look over to the left, there's a couple of black elk that start the beginning of what is called the Long Walk or the Vista. Now, as you walk down there, it's lined with Japanese cryptomeria, flowering chestnuts in the springtime, and then it's backed up with pin oaks. We were lucky this year that the chestnuts were in bloom for almost a whole month, and the flowers on them are really large. They're not little flowers, they're big. Now the reflecting pool we have down here, this was where the family did their swimming and a little boating. The boat there is a replica of Alfred's boat. Now the fountain was not there when Alfred lived here. We put that in when we opened the estate to the public. We thought we'd jazz it up a little bit. In each corner of the fountain is a beautiful Carrara marble statue. They were done by Henri Cranier, a famous French-American sculptor, who also did the Achievement statue, which you'll see through the woods. It holds 800,000 gallons. It covers almost an acre, and it's 5.5 feet deep. It takes about 3.5 days to fill. And people in Wilmington usually lose water pressure because of it. Now the next garden that's on the other side of these evergreens is the Maze Garden. Houses the Achievement statue, which you can see the gold glistening through the trees there. It's a 12-foot tall statue of Jesse and Alfred, covered in 23-karat gold leaf. It sits on a 10-foot diameter marble bowl, Levanto marble bowl. Now the garden itself is grown in a fleur-de-lis pattern with miniature barberry hedges, and then sun and patience inside when framed out with Western arborvitae.